This is how you prepare fast and easy beef stir fry. Start by getting all your ingredients. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 pound beef sirloin cut into 2-inch strips, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 and 1/2 cups of fresh broccoli florets, 1 red bell pepper cut into matchsticks, 2 carrots thinly sliced, 1 green onion chopped, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds that are toasted. First, start with clean hands. Wash the vegetables to make sure to remove any dirt and other contaminants that could have been picked up during handling and transport. Then, we're going to put gloves onto clean hands. Start preparing the vegetables by pulling out a cutting board and cutting carrots into small circles. Then, bell peppers into long strips. Then, broccoli into smaller floret pieces. Next, we'll mince some garlic and some green onions on a cutting board. Then we'll cut beef into 2-inch strips with a separate knife and cutting board. Go ahead and place your skillet and vegetable oil onto the pan and set it to medium-high. When the skillet heats up, add the beef to the pan. This will start the cooking process. Here, we see heat is transferred as conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat or electricity through a material when particles that are touching pass energy from one to another. The beef is cooked by direct physical contact between the hot surface and the pan. First, the outside of the beef will be cooked by the hot pan surface. But to fully cook it all the way through, the beef should be left on the hot pan for around 2 minutes to allow the heat to reach the center of the meat. Cooking the beef causes the Maillard reaction. This is a chemical reaction when amino acids from proteins inside the meat react with reducing sugars to create a brown color on the meat and a rich savory aroma. The reaction begins around 140 degrees Celsius or 284 degrees Fahrenheit and accelerates at higher temperatures. It's also important to ensure that beef reaches the temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit to kill any microbes that could be on the raw beef. Slide the beef to the side and go ahead and add your carrots, onions, red bell peppers, and broccoli. Cook them again through conduction heating for around 1 minute, and then we'll add our garlic. Again, the Maillard reaction occurs on the veggies and garlic. Next, go ahead and add your soy sauce and sesames to the pan and stir for around 2 minutes, or until the veggies are soft and tender. Now, turn off the stove, clean the equipment, and serve hot stir fry. Enjoy!